I'm Miss Susan.
And I'm Miss Rosemary.
Welcome to Virtual Mini Math Monsters.
Today we are going to make a balancing scale.
And then use it to measure some beans. So grab the kit that you picked up at the Children's Services desk and let's get started.
Today we're going to show you how to use a scale to compare the weight of different items. So we have some cylinders and some cubes. Which one do you think weighs more? Let's put the cylinders in and the cubes. So the cubes actually weigh more than the cylinders. Okay, let's try another thing. We have this block and these they're not even bean bags. They're just real light, foamy bean bags type. So there's one, there's two, there's three, there's four. So 4 of the little foamy bean bags weigh more than the wooden block. So I have another thing we're going to show you. So which one do you think would weigh more? Looking at it, this one's bigger, so automatically I would think that one weighs more. So we'll put that in. And then we have the block. So they're pretty close, but this one still weighs a little bit more. One more thing. These look like they'd weigh the same. They're similar in shape and size. So let's put them in and see what happens. Oh, look at that. So this one is obviously a little more dense wood than the other one. So that's just a basic example of different weights. So now we're going to make our own scale.
Okay, so now we're going to build the balancing scale. Your kit that you would have picked up at the Children's Services desk would include your direction booklet, the 2 cups, the yarn, and the hanger. So I have pulled out all the items. The first thing you want to do is grab your cups, and we've already I don't know if you can see that, but we've already pre-cut the holes in the edges of the 2 cups. So you'll take 1 cup, 1 set of string, and take the 1 cup and go through the holes to tie it off. Now, I already have cups ready, and that's what I'm going to show you now. So you would get to this point once you've put all of your strings on, it'll look like this. So then you do that for your second cup also. And then when you are done, you're going to have 2. Oh, your kit will also include beans. I forgot to mention that. There'll be a baggie of beans in your kit. So you're going to be hooking this on just like that. Just like that. And you would hook your other one on just like this also. And that would make your balancing scale. Now I have all of my beans in 1 cup, so I don't want to pull it up because obviously this will be the heaviest. But I'm going to have Miss Rosemary help me show you how these will work. Okay, so Miss Rosemary's joined me to help me demonstrate the balancing scale that we just built. So this is what it looks like without anything in it. It should be even. If you notice one is longer than the other, you can shorten up the strings. If you need help, just ask a parent. But so we have ours even, and I'm just going to put a little bit on this side. I think that should be good. And I'm going to put a whole bunch in this side. These are the beans that are in your kit. Now, you can definitely see a big difference on that. It's very dramatic. I could probably even take a little more out and play around with this a little more. But you could, yep, that works. So you could go anywhere around your house and find little items to measure. Like I was saying earlier, this is, or I should say what Miss Rosemary was showing you earlier, is this is to compare items, the weight between items, not to measure the weight. So like a scale would be in a bathroom. I hope you had as much fun as we did today. We'll be back in January to learn about time and make a paper clock. Be sure to register and pick up your kit in January. See you next time. Bye.